Good afternoon. It's November 20th, 2025, and it's a Thursday. We're in the 5 p.m. hour, and settlement is 65558 and three quarters. Okay, hopefully this is probably the last report of the year. There's no reason for y'all to really hear me because last night I said that the bearish move was hold week open, which coincided with the top level that we've been looking at. And then in the chat this morning, or maybe yesterday as well, I said if they don't hold day open or settlement, it's curtains. And the 11 a.m. candle essentially flushed through both at the same time. And then they came lower in the week low, came back a little bit more to the previous day's low, gave it one more for the 3 p.m. power hour. On top of that, congratulations, it's added daily volume. The weekly volume is officially added as of now. On the continuous contract, then on the actual contract, and then yesterday we were talking about the contract law as well. But yep, on the actual contract, added weekly volume. On ES, added weekly volume. On SPY, added weekly volume. And on the actual index, not yet. No added weekly volume yet on the actual index, but added weekly volume on the Wanda contract. Show me the bubble. Show me the bubble. Seems like it's showing us the bubble. Now, the idea is that where do they want to go? Where are we going to bounce off from? If it's not going to be now, or if it's not going to be the contract open. Contract low, excuse me. There's September's low. It could flush through that. That's quarter three low. It could flush through that. That's the previous contracts open. They could flush through that. And this is, I think, quarter two low down here, which is essentially 5,000. I don't see anywhere else that we could bounce off from. Yeah, somewhere around here would be quarter three low. Yeah, we already talked about quarter three low. That's quarter three low right there. They could easily flush through all of these levels. So we called it a top, I think, beginning of October. We said this is the top. And look at us now. Look at us now. Look at us now. It's officially as of the cut right now, this is officially a bear market. That's what it is. This is a bear market now. So if you caught the bottom, good. You should be at break even, or you should have taken off something or taken off all if you're really panicking. But this is it. This is it, ladies and gentlemen, because as of now, earlier today, I saw Bitcoin at like 90 something, and I thought, but as of now, that weekly fair value gap is now fully cooked. So now the only thing I could reliably look at is the year's low, and it could flush through that as well. So, I will see you guys maybe when I call the bottom. That'll probably be the next time you hear me on this YouTube channel. In the chat, I'll probably just say some bullshit every day, just to keep abreast of everything that's going on. Sorry, YouTube, you will not be able to get access to that YouTube channel, to that chat, because that's just for the homies. Yeah, this is pretty much it for the year. Nothing else to talk about. For the rest of the year. You should enjoy your Thanksgiving and your Christmas. Stay with your family. Love your family. Tell your family that you love them, because these markets is for sure definitely going to completely ruin. How about this? We'll reconvene if they hit this previous contract open. How's that? I won't completely disappear. Maybe I'll completely disappear from the YouTube channel. But in general, there's nothing else to talk about now because this is now a flipped bearish market. And we have the levels that we want to buy from, and there's really no point in talking. There's really no point in talking because, excuse me, I'm super sick. There's really no point in talking because at this point you should just, if you are someone that has cash, you should just be blindly buying and just looking away at this point. That's the only strategy that can work at this point. There's no reason to look for a leap call. At this point, you might be looking for a leap. I mean, if you want to see me try and trade this from a fully bearish perspective, then okay, I will. But at this point, I don't think so. I don't think it's really worth the time because it's just, I'm not excuse me. In terms of options, I am not a put kind of guy. That's not for me. I like my leaps. I like my call leaps. That's what I like. And if they're going to give me this, then cool. Cheaper prices from me. I like cheaper prices. I want to see. No problem. Nigga, what do I want to see? Yeah, that's 5,000, but I really want to see 3,000. If this is really the bubble that they're saying that this is, I'd love to see 3,000. Would they ever do something like that where I don't even think 2008 could get to bubble territory like that? That is 3,000 is like my dream scenario. Conservatively, it's 5,000, but realistically, if this is the bubble that they keep saying that this is, like 4,000. And everyone's saying it's going to be worse than 2008. Some saying that if they're saying it's going to be worse than 2008, then it's supposed to be worse than 1928. So let's look at 1928 real quick, if we could, if we even have that data. I don't think the Dow was open. I don't think there was a Dow. Sorry, I don't think there was a SPX 500 during the crash. Yes, there was. So this is the crash right here, 1929. That is essentially a 100% drop. Essentially what that is. So a 100% drop from where we are currently. A 100% drop from where we are from the high. Let's say 100% drop from the high. Ooh. So 100% drop is past 4,000. It's past 4,000 and it's past 3,000. Oh, wow. A 100% drop is nasty. A 100%, Jesus Christ, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's no way that's a 100% drop. There's no way that's a 100% drop. That's impossible. That's impossible. That's not a 100% drop. We'd have to do the math on what a 100% drop is, but there's no way it would be past COVID low. So the conservative estimate is 2022 low, since everyone's calling this specifically an AI bubble. If this were specifically an AI bubble, it would just be 3,000 on XPX at minimum, or 4,000 on XPX at minimum. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing else to call out day to day. Just be safe, really. Because it seems like we're gonna go past this low. Maybe I'll be a liar and actually record something else if I just can't help it. But that's cognizant of my own emotions and if I want to record anything. But yeah, that's what we see day to day in bar for bar. So be careful. Make sure your cash positions are well set, and yeah, you have a blessed day. And you have a blessed holiday. You have a blessed 2025. In theory, I should see you in 2026.